Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see the title down below, I tried a sleek ponytail with braids. No, before I even pretend that this was my first attempt and it came out perfectly, let's not do that today. We're definitely not doing that today. This was not my first attempt. This was like my third. No, I encountered a lot of challenges while doing it. Why? Because the hair kept tangling. So I had to be stopping to, detangle the hair and get it done. Now this is a pretty simple hairstyle to walk around with on a weekend or during the week if you're running on the road for something. But at the same time, it's not a hairstyle that you can keep in for long. So it only serves like 2 to 3 days. It depends on how you treat it. Now the video with the procedures of how I got this done will follow, and don't forget to like this video, comment and tell me what you think about it, share and subscribe. Alright, until next time, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the hard part. So I use a scrunchie to secure the braid, just like this. Yes. And then I'm going to try to put it onto my hair. I needed 2 sections because my hair would make the 3rd section. Now I need the bum to be on the top. This was a challenge, as you can see right here. So I tried to put it on like this, but then I realized that that was not working, so I had to tilt my head forward and then wrap the scrunchie around it. So I'm using the scrunchie from the braid and tying it onto the scrunchie that I already had in my hair for it to be on it. So I got both here on the top, just like this. Now this braid was very tangly. Like I had to be untangling it right throughout. Like this part made it hard, but once you get all 3 sections it should be good. So I'm just working my way to get 3 equal sections so I can plait, and the plait looks equal right throughout. So I'm trying to detangle the hair right here. It's a challenge. Okay, so I think I untangle it as much as I possibly can right now, just to move a step further. So this is me trying to gather enough hair from both sides to cover my natural hair. So when I start braiding it, I don't see my natural hair peeping out. Okay, so now that I'm finished plaiting the hair, I had pieces of hair left so I could wrap the top. Now this is my first piece to wrap the top to try to hide the bump that was there. So I'm going to put it on the hair and then use one side to wrap first and then use the other side to finish wrapping it at the end, just to ensure that it is tight and secure. Okay, so I want curly hair hen, so I'm going to rod it, put it on the rod, and then in order for me to get it curly, after I put it on the rod, I'm going to dip it in hot water, which you'll see shortly. Okay, so now that it's finished watering, I'm going to unravel to see if we got a curl. And we did. We did get a curl. And that's it. Okay, guys, so that's it. We're done. And that's it. Sleek ponytail with braids. Just leave me a comment in the comment section to tell me how you think I did. Until next time, bye.